Go and deliver those who are just like you. And I remember identifying with that, because as a man of God, not fitting in with all the other pastors and stuff like that. And here, the first thought that went through my head right now, some pastors hear this, the first thought that came to the enemy just hit me with a thought, right? If other men of God hear what I'm saying, right, it as a negative connotation with somebody or being on a pity pot, it ain't none of that stuff, right? What it is I kept trying to fit in places in the kingdom where God never sent me to be. There's a particular assignment that I have, and that was to go back and convert people who are just like me. I continue to try to fit in these circles, and I never fit in. And it's not a bad thing, because it's not about fitting in now. That wasn't my purpose. That wasn't my assignment. That is not where God wanted me to go. So there's places that you're trying to fit into. There's people, and I also realize I've been talking to people, not that they don't want to hear me, I've been talking to the wrong people. I've been trying to help people that really don't want my help. And that's what we come to the realization. We're talking to people we shouldn't be talking to. We're trying to help people who, no matter what we do, continually not receiving our help, or not, just like we're pouring in and we see nothing. So we're dealing with the wrong people. I realize I'm not for everybody.